Are you ready to unlock the vault to your financial freedom? Imagine a life where money worries are a distant memory, and you are in complete control. Today, we unveil 9 essential keys to achieve just that. Especially tailored for the young and ambitious, these steps will ignite the path to your financial liberation. Key number 1, build a resilient mindset. Financial freedom starts in your mind. The barrier isn't just physical, it's psychological. Fear of failure can cripple the strongest spirits. Remember, each setback is a setup for a greater comeback. Cultivate positivity, resilience, and a growth mindset. Convince yourself that you deserve financial well-being, and you're halfway there. Ready for a curveball? Why do squirrels swim on their back? To keep their nuts dry. Just like squirrels, you need to keep your financial nuts safe and sound. Moving on. Key number 2, educate yourself. Financial literacy is a powerful tool. Understand the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and taxes. Knowledge in these areas will empower you to make informed decisions. Can you afford to ignore the foundation of your financial house? I think not. Key number 3, create multiple streams of income. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Diversify your income sources. Could be side hustles, investments, or passive income streams. More streams mean more security and faster financial growth. Exciting, isn't it? Key number 4, save relentlessly. Start saving now, not tomorrow. Set aside a portion of every paycheck. Remember, no amount is too small. It's about making it a habit. Envision your savings account as a golden goose, growing bigger with each contribution. Laugh break. What did the 0 say to the 8? Nice belt. Tightening your budget can sometimes feel suffocating, like a tight belt, but it's essential for financial freedom. Key number 5, invest wisely. Let your money work for you. Research and invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Understand the risks, but remember, the greater the risk, the greater the potential reward. Always think long-term. Unsure where to start? Stay tuned till the end for a golden tip. Key number 6, avoid debt like the plague. Debt can be a quicksand, pulling you deeper the more you struggle. Minimize it. Pay off high-interest debts first. Credit cards are not free money. Consider them short-term loans. Key number 7, budget like a boss. Track your income and expenses. Know where every penny goes. Be stringent but realistic. A budget isn't a prison, it's a blueprint to your financial empire. Key number 8, plan for emergencies. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim for 6 months of living expenses. It's not just practical, it's peace of mind. Key number 9, be patient and persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial freedom. Stay the course, adjust as needed, and celebrate small victories along the way. Now, weren't those gems worth your time? For anyone ambitious about ramping up their financial game, these 9 keys are indispensable. Don't just listen, act. Apply these steps diligently, and watch your financial freedom unlock before your eyes. And remember, knowledge is power, specifically financial power in your journey to freedom. Has this sparked an interest in further expanding your financial knowledge, particularly about investing? Perfect timing. Don't forget to check out our video on how does the Indian stock market work, to understand the nuances of the market and how you can participate. Click on the end screen to explore this topic more. And if you're driven for daily such insights, why not subscribe? Each day could unlock a new secret to your success.